Yes, yes.
Mirrors off.
Mirrors off.
Okay. I want big gestures when you teach. Teach.
Okay. Congruent is like two squares on the ceiling. Congruent is like two rectangles.
Ho, ho, class.
Ho, ho, yes.
That was much better. Give yourselves a, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Class, class.
Yes, yes.
Hands and eyes.
And nice.
This time, I want you to give your partner an example of congruent. Yes, sir.
Can I grab Chris?
Chris. So, this time you're going to give the example of congruent. Does everyone understand? Does everyone understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, class, class.
Yes, yes.
Hands and eyes.
Hands and eyes.
Mirror and words.
Mirror words.
Congruent
Congruent
is like
is like
mirrors off.
mirrors off.
That's how you're going to start your example to your partner. Do you understand? Give me a thumbs up if you understand. Okay. Teach.
Congruent is like two squares on the floor. Congruent is like two squares on the ceiling.
Big gesture. Big gesture. I need big gesture. No, keep going. Big gesture. Class, class.
Yes, yes.
I'm sad. I didn't see big gestures. My groan. That was a sad, sad my groan. My groan. We're going to go over our examples again, and then I'm going to let you teach an example to your partner. Remember, the example needs to be big when you give the gesture. Big gestures. Does everyone understand? Give me a thumbs up if you do. Okay. Class, 1 plus 1.
Yes, yes, equals 2.
Hands and eyes.
Hands and eyes.
Mirror and words.
Mirror words.
Congruent
Congruent
is like
is like
two squares
two squares
on the floor.
on the floor.
Congruent
Congruent
is like
is like
two rectangles
two rectangles
on the ceiling.
on the ceiling.
Congruent
Congruent
is like
is like
two
two
triangles.
triangles.
Mirrors off.
Mirrors off.
Teach.
Congruent is like two squares on the floor. Congruent is like two squares on the ceiling. Congruent is like two rectangles on the ceiling.
Class, class.
Yes, yes.
Class, class, class.
Yes, yes, yes.
I saw big gestures from most. Give yourselves a, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But we had some people not wanting to do big gestures. Give yourselves a mighty groan. We want to make sure we're giving big gestures because that's what puts it in our brains. Remember? Doing it over and over again puts it in our brains. Just like when we talked about riding a bicycle, you can get off and then get back on a bicycle during the summertime and you remember how to ride it. Same thing. When we do it over and over and over again with our hands, with our mouths, with the big gestures, it's putting it in our brains. Does everyone understand? Class, class.
Yes, yes.
Hands and eyes.
Hands and eyes.
Okay, I'm going to show you a couple of shapes, examples. If it is congruent, you're going to say, oh yeah. If it is, so you're going to go, oh yeah. If it is not congruent, you're going to say, no way. Let's practice. Congruent.
Oh yeah.
Let's practice that one again. Congruent.
Oh yeah.
Not congruent.
No way.
Not congruent.
No way.
Okay, is everyone prepared to do it? Okay, let's try. Up first, these two. Congruent or not congruent?
Congruent.
Oh, it's congruent, but what are you supposed to say?
Oh yeah.
Ready? We're not clapping, it's a, oh yeah. Here we go. What about this one?
No way.
That's a yay.
What about this one?
No way.
Really?
Oh yeah.
But they're
Oh,
not the same size.
Let's keep going. We'll go back and talk about it. What about this one?
No way.
What about this one?
No way.
Yes!
What about this one?
No way.
Class, class?
Yes, yes.
Can someone explain to me why they think this is not congruent? Connor?
They don't look the same size.
They don't look the same size. Guess what?
They are.
They are. So, congruent or not congruent?
No way.
Congruent or not congruent?
Oh yeah.
Congruent or not congruent?
No way.
Let's go back. Congruent or not congruent?
Oh yeah.
Congruent or not congruent?
No way.
Congruent or not congruent?
No way.
Think about the parallelogram we just looked at.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Congruent or not? Congruent or not congruent?
Oh yeah.
It looks
Mirror.
different.
Our voices are off. Hands and eyes.
Hands and eyes.
Okay. Many of you thought that the trapezoid and the parallelogram were not congruent because they were either slanted or it looks like they might have been different sizes. But you have to really, really think about it when we look at our problems. Okay? It may look different, or it may be upside down, or flipped sideways, and it may make your brain think, oh, this is not congruent. But guess what? It probably is. So you have to really pay attention and use your thinking power. Does everyone understand?
Yes.
Give me a thumbs up if you do. Okay, class.
Yes, yes.
We're fixing to start our assignment that goes with this. Listen to my directions. Mirror and words.
Real words.
Walk to my desk.
Walk to my desk.
Pull out my chair.
Pull out my chair.
Sit.
Sit.
Get out my pencil.
Get out my pencil.
Get out my black workbook.
Get out my blackboard.
Hands and eyes.
Hands and eyes.
Mirrors off.
Mirrors off.
Did I get permission to talk?
No.
Please show me you know what to do.